We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
The 1980s marked Hakka pop music's most fertile period, partly due to the establishment of new record labels in North Taiwan. Two of the best-known songwriters of the period were Tu Minghen and Lin Ziyuan. A childhood friend of pioneer Hakka singer and musician Wu Shenzhi, Tu began writing Hakka pop songs in 1981. He worked with Wu on a revolutionary Hakka rock album shortly before Wu's untimely death in a car crash. Tu carried the project to completion and released Big Dumb Car in 1987. He subsequently wrote and recorded 4 or 5 albums of Hakka kid songs. Probably Taiwan's most prolific Hakka songwriter, with over 1,000 titles to his name, Tu died in March 2000 when he too was killed in a car crash. His best-known work is Hakka character客家本色. Another Hakka hit of the time, Beautiful Girl, was written by Lin Ziyuan and released in 1991. The song was hugely popular in its Taiwanese version. Known for his lovely melodies, Lin worked for 20 years as a songwriter until his career ended abruptly when, uncannily, he too died in a car accident. Hello, folks. It's time for a Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
And my name is Joseph Lin. You know what? Alice is my teacher for so many months. It's almost a year now, I guess, or even more. I don't remember. But anyways, 你是我老师这么久了，你都还没有教我怎么讲老师，害我都不能尊敬你，害我都不能这样子跟你老师好这样子。You know how it works here in Taiwan. You know, they always like to say that. Hi, teacher.
老師是嗎？
對啊，老師啊。欣賞。欣賞。
我係你嘅欣賞。
你是我的欣賞啊。
對啊，
Really?
欣賞。
Oh, is that right? 欣賞是老師。那好像欣賞也是先生，不是嗎？
對，它有2種意思，可以說老師，也可以說是先生。
Wow, that's interesting.
就老公嗎？
一模一樣就對了。Okay, so in Hakka, when you refer to a teacher, it's 欣賞. But when you refer to your husband, it's also 欣賞.
Yeah.
There's going to be a lot of misunderstandings there. 就會有很多誤會哦。那學生呢？ How do you say a student?
學生。
學生啊，欣賞跟學生。OK.
我係你嘅欣賞。我是你的老師呢。
我係你嘅學生。是這樣子。
Yes.
I got it. So she is my teacher. Alice is my teacher. I am her student. So there you have it. That's today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼大家？
俺只係張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.